ठीक है. That A is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay, A is 1, 2, 3. Then we write B is equal to x comma y. ठीक है, B is x comma y. So there is something called a Cartesian product, right? Cartesian product, and it is given by, is written A cross B. Okay, you can see now. Both of you, it's visible. ठीक है. Cartesian product is what you do is first take A, next take B, and write those elements like this. So A cross B is equal to 1 comma x, then 1 comma y, then 2 comma x, then 2 comma y, and then 3 comma x, and then 3 comma y. Understood? This is what Cartesian product is. In the Cartesian product, you have to write numbers in pairwise form. Okay, pairwise. So there is one element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element, and sixth element. Okay. A cross B is a set. Okay. Set. So Cartesian product is a set. It's a set. Okay. And each of these elements is a pair. Well, right? Each element is a this is one pair, right? Pair number 1. This is pair number 2. Okay? Understood, everyone? Now, yeah, this all is done. So, okay, now this already everyone knows n of A is 3. N of A means number of elements in set A. N of A is 3 and N of B is number of elements in set B is 2. N of B is 2. Okay? And therefore, can you see N of A cross B will be 6. Okay? Guys, have you understood this? Hello? Understood?
Sir, can you repeat the last thing you said?
I said N of A is number of elements in A is 3. Number of elements in set A is 3. Number of elements in set B is 2. And the number of elements in A cross B is 6, as you can see. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Is it open? Okay. Okay. So N of A cross B is 6. Also understand that because it is A cross B, the first is A and the next is B. So every pair, the first element is of A and the second element is from B. I want you to write B cross A on your own. Write B cross A on your own. First,
Sir, I'm having bad internet. Is
sorry,
it
what?
okay if I switch my video off?
Yeah.
Can I switch my video off? There's a lot of network.
So if you write B cross A, it will be Abhita, you need to speak out what is B cross A.
So the set B cross A will be the first element is x comma 1, then it's x comma 2, x comma 3, y comma 1, y comma 2, and y comma 3.
Correct. Now also understand the order does not matter. So let's say suppose you have written x comma 1 and the second element you have written y comma 1. So because it is a set, anyway it's a set. So the order does not matter. Only the correct element should be there. Okay. So I'm writing B cross A, it is x comma 1, then x comma 2, then x comma 3, and then y comma 1, and then y comma 2, and y comma 3. One more thing, this is a curly bracket, this is a normal bracket. Okay, so don't switch them signs. Don't put any other bracket. You have to put these bracket only. Fine. Okay. Now you have to do these questions. I'm telling. Okay, I'm writing on the board. A is equal to 1, 3, 5. B is equal to 2 cross 3. First is A cross B. Second, you have to find B cross A. Right. Start writing. Easy questions. A cross B intersection B cross A. Done. A cross B have written. The outside is a set, right? It's a set, right? So outside will be curly bracket. The most outside will be curly bracket. But inside each of these is a pair, right? So pair, how do you write? Coordinates. 2, 3. Normal bracket. So inside it's normal bracket. See here. The most outside is curly bracket. The most outside is curly bracket. But inside each of them is a normal bracket. Understood? बोलिए सर सुनाई दे रहा है बोलिए जो मैथ्स और फिजिक्स साइंस कब है और टाइम उनको बोलिए रात तक मैसेज आ जाएगा ठीक Please be louder.
Since the order doesn't matter.
Order does not matter.
So I can copy the same value for the first one. So when I can copy the same thing.
But with reverse, inside it is reverse, no?
Inside
it is reversed. See, for example, in A cross B when you're writing.
So that is a must.
Yeah, that is must. For example, in A cross B, somewhere 1, 2 will come. You can this 1, 2, right? See on the screen. This 1, 2. We can write it. There will be how many elements in A cross B first element? 6. Now this 1, 2 can be anywhere. It can be first element. It can be second element. It can be sixth element. This order does not matter. But inside this, you can't write it 2, 1. That will be wrong. Understood? 1, 3, 1, 5. क्या लिख रहा हूँ मैं उल्टा गलत लिख दिया 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3. Okay, yeah. Set A does not have 3, 5. Set A cross B will not have 3, 5. It will have 5, 3 because 5 is first and 3 is second. Whereas B cross A will have 3, 5. It will not have 5, 3. Yeah. You can just simply reverse these 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 5, 3, 5. Okay. So all of you have understood what is A cross B and B cross A. Now there is something called intersection. Intersection, so you already know what is intersection. You have to write the common elements. Any element which is common to both of them, you should write. That is the intersection. So it is written. The question is A cross B intersection B cross A. So A cross B is this, B cross A is this. What is the common? Common is I think 3 comma 3 is common, and I don't think anything else is common. No, there is nothing else common. No. So the answer for the third one which is A cross B intersection B cross A, that is equal to just 3 comma 3, and should be in curly bracket. If I'm doing wrong, please point out. Okay. और तो नहीं है ना कोई 2 नहीं और कोई नहीं 5 comma 3 is there, they're in both you're saying. No, 5 comma 3 is in the first one, it is in the next it is 3 comma 5. Write them on your own. No? Written, no? So tell me which element is common. Only 3 comma 3 will be common. Only 3 comma 3 will be common. Yes. Okay, na? Understood me. So, guys, have you understood that the answer is just this 3 comma 3?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. What Nabda? Nabda
Yes,
what?
sir. I understood.
Okay. Now you write this. Example 2, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 3 comma 4, C is equal to 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5, 6. Okay. A is this, B is this, C is this. First, find A cross B intersection C. Intersection you have understood, no? Tell me what is B intersection C? Yes. Yes, that's it. 4. Second. And if something in bracket, you have to solve this first and then take a cross with this. Understood? Brackets are always solved first. Guys, I have not received yet your sets ka work, the PDF. Okay. If you don't do it by tonight, don't give it by tonight. Tomorrow is a practice session. You will stay back after the session also extra and complete it and then give it and then submit it and then go. Understood? So before tomorrow morning, please give the set work to me. Otherwise, you will stay more. Okay. Yeah. Bro. By the way, for you, the union is divided. तूने ABC लिखा है इस क्वेश्चन का नहीं लिखा अभी तक जल्दी राइट फास्ट में B intersection C in this case is 4, but B union C in this case is 3, 4, 5, 6. So you understand this, you understand what is in this. You understand. You have to write everything together combined. But if something is repeating, then you don't. The rule is that you can't repeat. 4 you have to write only once. Yeah, guys, do it. I'm writing some answers. Okay, for example, this answer is b distance is 4, so 1 comma 4 comma 4. Correct? Okay. Understood? This will have, let's say, second one will be having a cross b. Oh, it's a long, you do it. I have written questions on this page, okay? So these are question number 2. I have written question number 3. I have written, and then I'm given you exercise 2A from RS. All of you have RS, yes or no? Yes, no, yes, no, yes.
No, sir.
क्या no?
No, sir.
ग्रुप से डाउनलोड कर ले.
Oh, okay.
ठीक है. और exercise 2A from RS, you have to do all these, okay? मैं आ रहा हूँ 5 मिनट में बताता हूँ, ठीक है? 5 नहीं 10 मिनट में सब हो जाना चाहिए. 10 minutes मैक्सिमम.
Sir,
बोलिए.
sir, I'm not in a place with a very good connection. I'm not able to hear you. Apart from exercises, are you going to do anything in this class?
Sorry, what?
Apart from exercises, will you do something in this class?
You know what is a subset for you? किधर बैठना? चिन इसको लगा के बैठना, ठीक है? ये लगा लो. हाँ कर लो, उसको कर लो. चुपचाप बैठना, ठीक है? देखो. सबसेट ओके. सो मुनी चलाना. is 1 2 3, okay? A is 1 2 3. So the subset of A, if you know already, please write it on your own, okay? Don't wait for me. Subsets of A is 1 this, 2 3, and 1 comma 2, then 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1, and 1 2 3, and last one is empty set. Okay, if you want to remember what is a subset, subset is if a set has 3 elements, right? Then subset is basically out of those 3 elements, how many elements are you taking together? For example, if you take 0 elements together, you get this. If you take 1 element at a time, you get these 3. If you take 2 elements at a time, you'll get these 3. If you take 3 elements at a time, you'll get only one this. Understood? So this is subsets of A. Okay. Okay. Also understand this itself is a subset. This is also 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 a subset. There is a total 8 subsets. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now you write any relation. What is a relation? Any relation from A to B. From A to B. Okay. From A to B. is a subset of A cross B. Write this. Any relation from A to B. Okay, and in symbols it is also doing like A R B. Okay, so A R B means relation from A to B. Okay, A R B means relation from A to B. Now let's say you have written this much, everyone. Let's say if you have A is 1, 2, 3, okay, and B is x comma y. You have written already this question. You have done A cross B is 1 comma x, 1 comma y, 2 comma x, 2 comma y, 3 comma x, 3 comma y. Say it is correct, everyone. How many elements are there in A cross B? Sorry, there are 6 elements, right? Okay. So there will be actually how many subsets? There will how many subsets? Beta, how many subsets?
So currently we have 6 visible ones.
Sorry,
Just 6. 6 itself.
no. There are three elements in this set. How many subsets are there? 8. Okay, it's 2 power 3. The answer is 2 power 3. So if there are 6 elements, 2 power 6, which is I think 64. So it has how many subsets? 64. If you want to write a few elements, subsets which are easy to write. For example, you take one element at a time. See, you can take how many elements are there? 6, right? So you can either write 0 elements at a time, or 1 element at a time, or 2 elements at a time, or 3, right? And then I don't have space here, but it's a 4 element, 5 element, 6 element. Okay. So if you write 0 element at a time, then you have only one subset. If you write 1 element at a time, you will have 6 elements. Yes, very good. There will be 6 because for example, it is 1 comma x is 1, or let's say 2 comma y is 1. Understood? Understood. I'm just writing few. How many total are there? 6. इसमें कितना है? 1. If you pick 2 at a time, okay, uh, 2 comma t, sorry, 2 at a time, you will see it like this. Either this 2, this 2, 3, 4, 5, yes or no? These 5. Then 1 comma y will combine with either 2 comma x. See, 1 comma y will not go back. It's already combined, right? So 5, 6, sorry, 5 upper over 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And then 10, 11, 12, right? And then 13, 14, yes, and then 15. That's it. So how many elements subsets are there? 15. Okay. And then this will have 63, 6 by 4. This will have 20. Okay. How am I counting this directly? You will learn later. Okay. 3, 4. 64 will have same as 62, so it will again has 15. You can think of it like this. Why this two elements? Yes, table. So here you were taking 2 elements. Here you are taking 4, which is same as leaving 2. So in how many ways can you leave 2? Every time you take 4, is same as leaving 2. So again it's 15. And accordingly 5 is again, 5 is again similar to 1, which is 6. And 6 is again, there is only 1, right? If you add these, kitna aa raha hai? 1 plus 6 kitna hua? 7. 6 plus 15 kitna hota? 7 plus 15. अरे ऐड करना कितना है? 1 7 15. Yeah. 6. These are taking 3 elements together. I will write again for you. Let's say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 elements in a set, right? If you take one element at a time, you'll have 1 or just 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, right? If you have taken 2 elements at a time, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, again 2, 3, 2, 4, right? 2, 5, 2, 6, understood? And then 3, so these are 2 elements together, right? How many there will be? 15. 6, yes. If you take 3, let's say 1, comma 2, comma 3, or let's say 1, comma 2, comma 4, understood? Like that, you'll write triplets of 3. And these, how many you will get? 20. Understood? Okay, here you can add 1 plus 6, 7, 15, 7, 22, 22 plus 20, 42, 42 plus 15, 57, 57 plus 6, 63, plus 1, 64. Understood? Okay, so this is how it is calculated. Now see, we saw that we said that any relation from A to B is subset of A cross B. So I will write, so let's take this up. Okay. Okay. Now see, any subset means, let's say I choose to pick how many elements. Any subset means any subset. So I will just pick, let's say, this subset. See, R1 is a subset such that 1 comma x, 2 comma y, and let's say 3 comma y. Is this a subset of A cross B? Is R1 a subset of A cross B? Yes or no? Are bolo, is R1 a subset of A cross B? Yes or no? Yes. So R1 is a relation. Understood? Again, any other R, let's say R2. तो बोलो randomly. Say something. 1 comma y, 2 comma y, 2 comma x. You can even pick 4 numbers. 2 से और नहीं आएगा. This is also a relation. This is also a subset, so it is also a relation. R2 is also a relation. Okay. Let's say R3. और बोलो. David, say something. तुम कुछ पूछना, इधर आके पूछो. वाटर पीने, पानी पीने कहाँ जाओगे? पी के आना पानी है. बोलो. Say one subset R3. 1 comma x, 1 comma y. Okay, enough. This is also a set. It is also a subset, right? This is also a relation. I've written all these, right? Correct. It should be, these numbers should be coming from this only word, right? From this only. Right. You can even take 0, like nothing. Right? इसका empty भी तो था ना? Right? Listen, no. बनाओ, जल्दी बनाओ, लिखो. Write everyone quickly. Write everyone. Done. Sorry. Done. Sorry. Also, yes. R5. R5 is the entire complete 1 comma x, 1 comma y, 2 comma x, 2 comma 5, 3 comma x, and 3 comma y. Okay, write this also. This is R5. This is also a relation. Done. Now the next thing is, if you have, okay, how do you show these R1? Okay, so what you do is you make two circles. The left circle is A, the right circle is B. A, yes, 1, 2, 3. आवाज नहीं चाहिए उसको. And B is XY, right? So you know, so draw like this, okay. And then what you do is, so let's go and check R1. R1 is 1x, 2y, and 3y. 1x, 2y, 1x, 2y, and 3y. If you join arrows, arrows will always from left to right, right? Left side should always be A, right side should always be B, and you join only. You have to write the numbers, all the numbers, whether they are in the relation, yes or no. But because if they're in A and B, you have to write them in the circle, okay? Whether they're connected or not, you have to write it. For example, here you can see that all are connected actually in this case, okay? So this is R1, okay? So R2 I'm also making. R2 is how? R2 is 1x, 2x. So let's say R3 I'm making, okay? R3. R2 you make. R2 you make, R3 I'm making. R2, R3 is A, B. R3 has 1x and 1y. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, x and y, and then 1x, and then 1y. So you can see that even though 2 and 3 are not connected, but I have to show 2 and 3 in A and B. Understood? Yes.
So if it is from B to A,
B into A, it's a different story.
I have to arrow is first from left to right. So do I switch B and B?
See, if it is A cross B, then you'll always be asked A to B. If you have to find a relation from A to B, you have to do A cross B only. You can't do B cross A and then talk of a relation from A to B. So the moment you start doing this in A cross B, here also from here it is decided that you're going to do A to B. Okay, understood? Okay, B to A, correct. So first you have to write B cross A, and then you'll make B on the left and A on the right. Understood? Okay. Please draw all R1 to R5. R1 to R5, please draw and then show me. Done? Done. Part 2. एरो एरो का साइन डालना है. Arrow, it's not just a line, it's an arrow. There should be arrow symbol. R3 I didn't know.
Sir, how to do R4?
R4 you don't join anything, just write the numbers. There is no arrow, just two circles with numbers. अमित सर, ये मैं कल उनको करवा चुका हूँ. ग्राफ पूरा करवा दिया. शिवानी को चलिए सुना था. हाँ थी ना वो आईसीसी वाली ना. हाँ सुना था. अमित सर आप उनसे डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर सकते हो. मैंने कल क्वेश्चन में डिस्कस किया है कि ये ग्राफ का ए साइन बी साइन सी साइन बताओ, डी साइन बताओ, ए बी सी का साइन और डी का भी साइन, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट का भी साइन, सारा ग्राफ बना बना के अब 5 क्वेश्चन पूछ लो वैसे. जी हाँ, ये हो गया ठीक. अच्छा जो R4 है ना, R4 इसको बोलते हैं एम्प्टी रिलेशन. एम्प्टी R4 इज कॉल्ड एम्प्टी रिलेशन. ठीक है. ठीक है. नाउ लिखो whatever is connected on the left side is called domain. Whatever is connected on the left side is called domain. Whatever is connected on the left side, it's called domain. For example, in ये R3 है. R3 में what is domain? In R3, what is domain? In R3, what is the domain? No, whatever is connected on the left side. In R3, what is connected? Only one, no? So only one is the domain. So in R3, the domain you will write. Yes, whatever is connected on the left side is called domain. Guys, online, have you understood? ठीक. अच्छा, उसके बाद लिखो whatever is present on the right side is called codomain. Whatever is present on the right side. I am not saying connected, I am saying present. Whatever is present on the right side is called codomain. Whatever is present on the right side is called codomain. Okay? Clear? Whatever is present on the right side is called codomain. Last is whatever is connected on the right side. Whatever is connected on the right side is called range. I'll repeat, whatever is connected on the right side is called range. So there are three definitions. Please go and revise them. Just read them again. I'm repeating one by one. First is domain. Domain means whatever is connected on the left side. Next is codomain. Codomain means whatever is present on the right side. Third is range, whatever is connected on the right side. Okay. For example, in R3, the domain is 1, the codomain is xy, and the range is also x comma y. Because in R3, everything on the right is connected. Okay. Check your, let's say in uh, R, what is the domain of R2? Huh? 1, 2, 3, very good. Sorry, R2 is 1, 2, 3, very good. And पूछ मेरे से पूछ लो. Codomain of R2? XY, right? Very good. And range of R2? XY. ठीक है. R4 का domain? Nothing. Null set. R4 का codomain? XY, because everything which is on the right side is, whether it's connected or not, you don't care. If it is right side present, it's codomain. And what is the range of R4? Null set again. I'll repeat, both the domain and range of R4 are null set. The codomain of R4 is x comma y. Have you understood this? Please, what is the time now? 28, it's over.